Hi.
Yo.
What's up?
Nothing.
Come on my boat.
I'm scared.
Hey, come here. Come here.
Is it checking a good thing?
Come here. I drive you around. I can move the thing in the back. We're driving on a boat. I'm driving on a boat. Driving on a boat. Someone's coming.
Well, who is it? Oh my God, it's Miss Seymour.
Crazy Seymour lady. Crazy Seymour lady. It's your mama.
Yeah.
I just show everybody what I got. I want to go frolic through the flowers.
Go. Go frolic. Go frolic. I love my friends. Go.
Frolic with me, Ashley.
I'm not.
Come frolic with me, Ashley.
I am just the camera lady.
Come frolic with me. Come frolic with
I can't frolic. I can't video and frolic at the same time.
me. Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
It's possible.
It's-
I did not mean to do that.
You see, America, she does this on a daily basis.
I did not mean to do that. Hi.
She's not getting up. I don't know what that means.
Did you really taste that?
Yes.
I can't get on this thing.
You did earlier.
Oh.
And you jumped off it earlier, too.
Oh. Oh, well, I'm fat now.
Oh, God.
Oh.
She needs Fred's help, but Fred's in somewhere.
He's in Idaho.
Idaho.
Oh, get my phone.
I'm getting it. Bossy?
I'm going to do the best trick ever. Are you ready?
Sure thing.
Whoa!
Yeah. Best trick ever.
It's the best day ever. Best day ever. What's up?
You gotta sing the campfire song.
I don't know the campfire.
The CAMPFIRESONG song.
You sing it.
I don't know it either. We need SpongeBob.
SpongeBob, if you're watching this, come find us. We live on a dead and running Rena Lara. We need you.